What's up, guys? Everybody start sharing. Let's start sharing the feed. I got a cool announcement for you guys. Let's start sharing the feed right away. Everybody start sharing. I can see when you're sharing, guys. I don't see anybody inviting followers. I don't see anybody inviting followers. Come on, guys. Let's invite followers. Swipe. The new Periscope shows me who's inviting followers. Come on, brothers and sisters. Let's get the numbers going. We can do a lot better than this. We can do a lot better than this, guys. Let's get it up. That's my information for the individuals that want to contact me. That's my Instagram, my YouTube, my Facebook, my Snapchat. And if you want to be a part of the family, if you want to be a part of my mentorship program, my email is at the top. Just send me an email. Come on, guys. Let's how is everybody, guys? I'm back. I was just on about 5 minutes ago. And I came back to make an announcement for everybody. I want to discuss something really cool that I'm going to be doing. So everybody knows about my mentorship that's going to be launching. Everyone knows, I mean, my seminar this weekend got completely sold out or bought out, or all the seats taken within 30 seconds. So we'll be doing another one soon. Guys, let's get the hearts going. Everybody tap the screen as much as you can, guys. Tap the screen as much as you can. By the way, just a little heads up, our buddy Cody Sperber tonight is going to be on Millionaire Listing. $1 million listing. So if you want to see Cody himself in action, he'll be on $1 million listing tonight. Cody's a good friend of mine and a real estate genius. So check him out, the clever investor on Periscope. He's going to be on TV tonight. So guys, with that being said, I want to make a little announcement, because I had a lot of people asking me and saying, what about, if we can't get into the mentor tips right away? Because like I said, I have 10,000 people pretty much pre-signed up, and each one bringing another person. We're going to have, I don't know, 20, 30,000 people within a few months on mentor tips. So here's the thing, guys. My developers and I have decided we're going to create something. All right. So not only are we going to be launching our own forum this week, which will bring the entire family and everyone under one website for free. The forum is 110% free. All right. It's a mentorship and trading forum. What we're also going to be doing is I'm launching my own social media platform. Okay. I'm launching an entire social media platform which is almost identical in functions as Facebook. All right, but I can't give the name yet. It is going to be the Facebook, essentially, of entrepreneurs and like-minded businessmen, young adults who want to connect to each other via different avenues. So it's going to be an entire social media platform on its own, but it's going to be specifically catered and designed for entrepreneurs, traders, like-minded individuals. This way, you have the opportunity to meet people all around the world like yourself and connect and establish partnerships without having to go out there and spend money and spend time. So I'm going to be launching my own social media platform. It's not going to be something small. It's going to be a major platform, almost identical to Facebook, without all the shenanigans. An actual full-out platform of itself on its own, but only for entrepreneurs. I mean, other individuals can join, but it'll be for entrepreneurs only. So I wanted to make that announcement to you guys and let you guys know about that. All right, because I'm so excited about it. So excited about it. I think we can build. I mean, we're so big now that anything we touch turns to gold. So Ramdeen, thank you for the offer, brother. I've got developers and and we're working on it right now. So with that being said, again guys, a quick intro, because I know my brother Ben Newman and brother Cody Spurberg, the Clever Investor, invited some followers. Again, I'm Reza Mokhtarian. I go by Ocean Sky on social media. I'm 33 years old. I'm the founder of Mentor Tips, soon to be the biggest mentorship program globally in the world. And I'm 33 years old. I started off being a pizza delivery man. I used to deliver mail 6 years ago, 6 years ago, live in the back of my car. And today, you know, a lot of people know I've made $25 million trading the markets, and so you're gonna see why I was pregnant, and investing my money into multiple avenues where I have generated a lot of capital. And for that, I'm here to teach you guys how to do the same. And I do that every single night. Mentor Tips will be launched soon. I'm super, super, super excited. I'm so excited for the fact that this has just grown to massive proportions. So I just made you $333. Awesome. How many people took the AUD USD trade? I posted a trade on Twitter about 45 minutes ago. I put the entry at 70.26, 70.28, but price didn't exactly hit there. It was 1 or 2 pips short of it, and it has already hit my target. All right. So the individuals that have been trading with me a lot already know that. Channy already know that if it's 1 or 2 pips from that section, just jump in. So already we've made money tonight on the AUD USD. If you didn't get notification, guys, you got to start following me on Twitter. I put trading signals there, all right? My Twitter is Real Ocean Sky. Let me show you all of my social media. Screenshot this. Everyone screenshot. I want everyone to screenshot this right now. Come on, guys. The guy says Twitter, and he forgets to write his Twitter up there. What an idiot. Hold on a second. I'm here saying follow me on Twitter without putting my Twitter account. Well done, Reza. All right. I'm in my kitchen tonight, yeah. So guys, everybody screenshot this, all right? Can everybody take a screenshot? Everybody take a screenshot. Add me to Twitter. I'm putting signals on Twitter. Sometimes if I'm not on here, you can just catch it. The trade that everyone took, most guys took about half an hour ago, and everyone made money already, was on Twitter. Thank you for complimenting on my handwriting. All right. Now, with that being said, guys, I did a webinar registration 30 minutes ago. In 30 seconds, it was completely full. I'll have to do another one on Sunday. Again, I have no idea how you guys have grown me to what I am today. I'm blessed. I don't know. Like 10,000 people trying to sign up for Mentor Tips. It's crazy. It's crazy, 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 crazy. The seminar is Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, who wants to make some money? I feel like I'm a talk show host. Who wants to be a millionaire? People are not leaving. It's okay. Some people don't like me. It's all right. It's all right. Now, guys, share the feed. Everybody, I don't see anyone sharing the feed. Why do I keep having to tell you to share the feed? Swipe, invite. See, Periscope shows me now when people are sharing the feed. When someone shares the feed, Periscope tells me. So, share the feed. You got to motivate me, man. Motivate me. Motivate me. All right. So, let's have multiple trades. Just to give you guys a heads up, this is the trade right here that I gave out about 45 minutes ago. Let me go on a 15-minute time frame. It was the AUD USD. I'll tell you why I gave the trade. Let me turn my screen around. The reason I gave this trade was very simple. As you guys can see, the trend line was coming. You get a trend line. I observed it. There's a confluence point. There is the daily pivot point right there, plus horizontal resistance. It was a clear entry, clear trade, and look at that. See how easy it is when you learn technical analysis? Like this trade occurred 45 minutes ago. That was an instant, I don't know, 25 pips. Now, if you know, 25 pips can make you anywhere from $250 to $25,000. And that was 45 minutes. Sorry, that happened in 45 minutes. So, I mean, I was randomly on the computer. I was about to come on and talk to you guys. I saw this trade, bam. I put it on Twitter. And although it didn't exactly hit this line, I know a lot of people took it just because they saw price action, you know, they saw what was happening and they got in. So with that being said, baby, let's take a look at some markets. Let's take a look and see what's happening in the Euro USD. Let me see if I can actually set up my little stand, my contraption, without, let me try something, guys. Hold on a second. All right. Let me see if I can get this. Sorry for showing my living room. All right, so how's that? How is this? Does this look okay? I got it on my stand. I'm trying to just straighten this stupid thing, but I don't understand why it doesn't want to. All right, perfect. Zoom in. How is that? Is that good? Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, baby. This is a Euro USD. All right. Euro USD, I'm gonna move it around just to show you guys. All right, this is the Euro USD, and let me just bring it up a bit more. All right, just hold on, bear with me. All right, because I'm on a pivot, I'm moving it around. It's you know, I'm going to need Pro Photographer Res unlocked. All right, Euro USD, guys. Let's I'm gonna zoom it out so you can see the whole chart actually. So this is a 15-minute chart of the Euro USD. Guys, share the feed while I'm doing this. Let's see if I want to trade the Euro USD. So Euro USD is obviously in a bearish movement right now. On a daily time frame, let me zoom it in and show it to you. You know, daily time frame here, daily candle. If you look at the daily candle here, all right, maybe I'll just use the phone with my hands soon because it's becoming a little bit annoying now. Daily candle. Let's remove all of this noise. Let's get rid of all of these lines and see what the heck is going on here, all right? I may not trade the Euro USD today, but guys, share the feed and give hearts, all right? So, all right. So this is a daily candles. I'm going to first just zoom it in a bit more for you guys. All right, this is very, very difficult with this camera setup. All right, so let's take a look and see what is going on here. All right, so let's just start by drawing our trend line downward. So we'll see what happens. So that's the trend line right there. All right, that's the trend line. Now I'm going to put another trend line from here, and look at that. So yesterday, price got protected pretty well by this trend line, don't you think? See the trend line here, guys? See how well the daily candle held? See how well the daily candle held? It held perfectly on that trend line. Now let me put some horizontal support and resistance right here. Now when I put this horizontal resistance in, we can immediately see that this daily candle here has already tried testing it and failed. All right, so let's go in on a 4-hour time frame. All right, now when you come in on a 4-hour time frame, you'll actually see that the candle, you know, it did penetrate this on a 4-hour, but we're only looking at this on a daily time frame. Now we're trading above it. All right, so how do we want to trade this pair? Personally speaking, my honest opinion here is that the euro is going to go up for maybe another, I would say another 10-15 pips, but I see it collapsing back down. All right, let me just take a little assessment on it. Let me just bear with me, guys. All right, there is on a 1-hour time frame, there's support and resistance levels right here. All right, now as you can see, it's currently failing. It is currently hitting this SNR level and failing. So you have a couple options. All right, you have a couple options here. All right, with the euro, you have a couple options. You can either take a short if you want to scalp. If you want to scalp it, you can take a short anytime now. Okay? If you want to do a small scalp, you can take a short trade right now. Okay? Just hold on a second. Let me just double check one thing. Okay. I would like this trend line here. I would like this. Oh man, I'm trying my best, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not a photographer. I would like to see this trend line here penetrated before I go short. However, if you want to do a scalp, but with this scalp, you do honestly have the risk of it popping out and hitting a stop loss. All right, you do have a risk of it popping out of here to hit a stop loss. So that's why I would like to see this trend line here broken before I go short on it. Because I'll tell you what can happen. This thing can also pop up through here and do one of these. And go from here to here and then upwards to the pivot point up there. All right, so I want to wait for confirmation before I get in. Now, if you want to know what my gut's telling me, my gut does actually tell me that it is going to break through. All right, my intuition is telling me that it is going to break through, come retest the 111.84 area and push upwards. All right, that is what my gut tells me. But that is on a, I would say maybe an 8-9 hour scenario where if you want to do a quick scalp, all right, it may for a little bit drop down. It may for about 10 pips drop down to this line. All right, with that being said, all right, with that being said, I would rather you guys trade it only if it breaks this trend line, go short, and if it breaks through 111.84, wait for the retest and then buy it. Buy it for the long, all right? There's no guarantee, there's no right now, guys, let's jump in on the trade on Euro USD. The AUD USD did that an hour ago. I gave the trade out and it already became successful, all right? With the Euro USD, we need movement before anything, all right? Let's take a look at the GBP. Great Britain pound has collapsed pretty hard. That's a 1 hour time frame. Let's go on a 4 hour. However, this collapse, I believe, is going to give room to a pull upwards. I think we're going to look to get a little bit of a play upwards from here, all right? Let me go ahead and draw a trend line from here to here. So this is my support and trend line. I'm going to get rid of this, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to do Fibonacci's from the top of here, which started in 20th of August, right down here. I didn't establish any different highs or lows. In fact, this move here went over 61.8% of this entire move. And now what I would like to do on this, here's another trend line from here right downwards, okay? So check it out. I just drew this trend line and I've already identified that this 4-hour candle is within a triangle. See this triangle? Okay? See the triangle? Let me get a couple more trend lines in there first. Hold on, guys. I want to give you a good analysis, all right? Because that's what I do. That's what I do. I don't give no crappy analysis here. All my trades are fire. Okay, we don't need this here. All my trades are fire flame. So, guys, while I'm doing this, swipe and invite followers again. Invite people. While I'm doing it takes you 1 second, baby. While I'm doing this, let's invite some more people. All right? Tap it and share it. All right, let me go on a 1 hour. Let me go on a 1 hour. Pivot point is there as well. But I like 153.29 a bit better. However, 153.29 is a bit higher than this current price. This is a pound USD. All right. All right. All right. Let me move this like this. So check it out, baby. All right. Check it out. Guys, remember, I can see when you're inviting followers. Don't pretend like you're inviting them and not inviting them. All right. Let me drop this. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something. Check this out, okay? All right. Okay. Oh, my screen can't handle it. All right. So, current prices are 152.35. Do we have a trend line here and the daily pivot? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. However, I like selling at 153.29 a lot more. I like selling at 153.29 a lot more, and I'll tell you why. 153.29 is 75 pips away, but I'll tell you why. Yes, 90% we can take a trade right here at the 152, I'll tell you, around the 152.74 handle, which is 25 pips away. But because of this massive move downwards, we may get a bit more pressure to go a little bit higher. All right, so let's go on a 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Let's go on a 15-minute. All right, and go a little bit deeper. That's what she said. All right, got a little bit of a TL over there as well on a 15-minute. If you can see, I just drew that trend line on a 15-minute as well. All right, I'm just trying to just get this right down. Even if you don't take the trade tonight, even if it doesn't solidify, at least we're getting a pretty good grasp of the trade itself, right? So. Alright, so that's a 15-minute trend line I drew as well. You can see it coming here. Another trend line I want to do is basically covering the floor here. So I'm going to cover that floor on a 15-minute as well. Alright? What am I doing? I'm breaking all the possibilities. Alright? Furthermore, I'm going to drop a horizontal support line, resistance line at 152.89 as well. All right. So, guys, obviously you see pound USD is pulling up a little bit from that drop. Normally that's from profit taking, all right? I say don't waste your time on 15-minute trend lines, Brian, but I'm just doing this for my own, like I'm analyzing myself, okay? Just let me, I'm trying to do it for you, man. All right? So, what I believe is going to happen is right around here, we're going to face some resistance. All right? We're going to face resistance at the 152 I would say 152.65 area. However, there is a possibility it can break. My better entry, so here's a couple possibilities. We're either going to go right here, and then we're going to go down. All right? That's our surefire short. All right? That's your surefire short. I just invented something. The surefire short. SFS. All right? SFS, baby. Surefire short. All right? Or alternatively, should prices fail to reach this area and they just fall through this floor, I want you to sell it. All right? Should they fall through this floor without going all the way to the top, SFS, baby, SFS, surefire short. If they fall through the floor instead, what you're going to do is the moment the prices break down through here, you're going to wait for prices to immediately pull back, and then you're going to sell. All right? And then you're going to sell. All right? Everyone understand? You always wait for the retest. I personally like waiting for the retest. The reason being is because that shows me conviction. All right? I'll let you guys just write this down. Let me grab myself another Stella. Write this down. So, guys, we want to do the retest because the retest essentially tells me that there is conviction on the trade. All right? Because, I mean, you can get a lot of fake breakouts, right? A lot of fake breakouts. Or fake movement. Unless you get that retest and a second failure, you're not really sure that it's going to be guaranteed. You know what I mean? So guys, also let's get the hearts going. Come on, I only see one colored heart. Let's get the hearts going, everyone. You guys used to give me a lot of hearts. What happened? You guys slowed down. Team Ocean Sky is becoming too comfortable. So that's the pound USD. Again, if you get candles that break right through these support and resistance levels, what happens? Okay? The trade is canceled, right? We're trading in a way to protect our assets as well, because risk management is important. Such a shame. This trade went so perfect. Look at the price. It's right at 69.97. Check my Twitter. I said put the take profit at 0.70, and literally that's where the price stopped. So that's why I'm saying, guys, follow me on Twitter as well, because sometimes I'll just drop the trade on there, and this trade I dropped on there moments ago. All right, let me see if there's anything else here that I can give you on the AUD USD. All right, so let's take a look at the AUD USD. Let me see if there's anything I can do. Let me go on a daily time frame. Let me zoom it in on a daily. Daily looks like we might get a reversal. Really? All right, hold on. Let me check the daily time frame here. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? This old trend line that we did in June, all we had to do was extend it, and you found yourself why this pulled back. Furthermore, look at this trade. This trade was $1 million trade. Look, this right here was such a perfect short. Such a perfect short. It was intersecting from two major trend lines. All right, let's go on now. Let me look at it. It's trading below the 70. It's trading below that support zone. There's no buying unless these trend lines are broken. I don't give a shit what anybody says. I don't care what anybody says. No one is buying AUD USD unless this this, and this. So prices need to break through this area. If prices break through this area, I guarantee you we're going to go up 200 pips. So if prices break through these trend lines here, this one, and this one, okay, you're going to go up by 200 pips. However, otherwise, I'm selling it. If like I'm selling it. So once again, I'm putting that trade back up. Sell the AUD USD right here on this trend line. So the next time you sell it, again, it should be around 0.7018. All right? All right, so, you know, somewhere up around here. Wait for the candle to fail, sell it, and target even lower. All right? Now, once again, what happens if this whole floor breaks? Well, actually, there's a trend line there that broke. If you really want to scalp, you can sell it right now. If you really want to scalp, there's a possibility it might fall from here right now. But I'd be careful. So it's a good possibility it's going to fall right here in about another pip. So the next candle that opens up is going to probably push up a little bit here and then fall down. If you want to take a small trade, you can. The better entry is up here. The better entry is up here at the 70-20 area. But if you want to take a short, you want to take a small position right around here, you can. Because the next candle that opens up, this is probably going to push up a bit more to up here. The next candle is probably going to do a little bit of like a kick up, but then come down. You guys want to watch and see if it does that? Let's see. I think you can take it right now. I think you can take a short and catch a quick 10 pips, quick 5 pips, quick 6 pips. Let's see. I think you can do it right now. Otherwise, the better entry is up here. Girl Maverick, that's why I said smaller trade, honey. Let's see, 30 seconds till this candle closes. I speculate that the next candle is going to go up a little bit and then go down. Let's see. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's see. Again, the better entry is up here, but you can play here too. You can have a little bit of fun. You can have a little bit of fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Guys, while that's happening, while we're waiting for the next candle to form, just to let you guys know again, my seminar for this weekend is already full. It's sold out in 30 seconds. And I will have another one on Sunday. All right. So let's just see how this candle forms. All right. Again, it's just dropping already. It's there you go. Dropped already. So anyways, let's take a look at the NZD USD. NZD USD. I don't want to touch it. USD CAD. So USD CAD was a perfect trade I gave yesterday. In fact, you can still see right here. You can still see it. I drew this. It faked out because it moved heavily. But I drew this last night. Down and up. And you see how it did that? It went down and up. It was perfect. Like it literally followed my line. Okay? So what are we going to do with it now? It broke through 132.89, 132.90. So obviously, what are you going to do when the price comes back down? Huh? What are you going to do when the price comes back down? So when this comes back down to 132.90 and a 1 hour candle fails, what are you going to do? You're going to buy it. But you want a 1 hour candle to fail, because a quick penetration in is going to void this trade. So you want that 1 hour candle to fail, all right? Or a 30-minute candle, okay? Or a 30-minute candle. Buy it, then buy a Lamborghini, okay? So if you also look, there's a trend line. There's a trend line right here, all right? See that? This was just broken a couple hours ago. So that tells me chances are it is going to wander and dwindle down to this area. All right? Because now, if this trend line was support before, what is it now? What is that trend line now? If it used to be support and it broke, what is it now? What is it now? It's resistance. So now, in order for this to reclaim its bullish momentum, it's got to break this trend line again. Now, when it breaks that trend line again, we have a pivot point. Today's R1 at 133.73. So do I think it's going to go to 133.73? I think it will. But I think we're going to need a pullback first. All right? So keep your eyes on it. If it fails at the 132.89 area, if it comes down here and it fails nicely, you can buy it and you'll target right there. You'll actually target that area, because by that time this will be extended, right? And it'll be a very nice confluence point with R1 and this trend line. And then if it breaks this, it's going to pop up nicely. All right? It's going to pop up nicely. Alternatively, what can happen? This can actually come down when it comes here and break through. And if it does that, all right, let's take a look at a 4 hour. If it does that, I do not want you to sell it, because it is very bullish. Okay? If it does that, I don't want you to sell it. If it breaks through here and closes below this, then the trade is not valid until I give you another trade on it. All right? It will not be valid till I come back. Let's take a look at the USD JAPY. USD JAPY is coming right down to a support area. I promised myself I'm not going to give you more than one trade. What am I doing right now? What am I doing? So let's go on a 4 hour, on a daily. Okay, so USD JAPY is coming up to the 119.77 area. Okay, if the candle fails, if you get, I don't want a 1 hour candle to fail. I actually want a 4 hour candle to fail. I don't care if this next candle closes in an hour, hour and a half. I do not want a 1 hour candle to fail. I want a 4 hour candle to fail. However, if you want to put a stop, if you want to do a good risk reward, if you want to take it on a 1 hour, sorry, my words are not coming out properly. If you really want to get in, you can buy it at 119.81 for a 1 day trade. All right. So if you want to buy it right away without the candle failing, wait for a 15-minute candle to fail here. All right. But be prepared that it might break a little bit through. It might go against you a little bit before pushing upwards. Okay? It might push against you a little bit before going upwards. That's why I say wait for a 4 hour. But if you want to get in, if you really want to get in, you can. Now keep in mind, a trend line has to break before it drops lower. There's a 5-minute trend line right now, right here. Okay? That's kind of playing games. So, see this? There's a little trend line here playing games. So, that is also holding it for now. But I think that's going to break any second. You know? So, USD JAPY again. Keep your eyes on it. Let's take a look at gold. Ooh, gold. Gold, 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 gold. I never give you guys gold trades. Did you realize that? Hold on. This is gold, alright? Alright. Anyways, I'm just going to do a quick trend line because I see my scope has gone too long and people are getting bored of me. Dun, dun, dun. And I don't want to bore anybody. Gold is going upwards. I mean, not much I can say about gold right now. If you want to buy gold, you got to wait for it to break 1140. If gold breaks 1140, buy on a retest. Okay? So if it goes up, breaks, wait, retest, and then buy for higher. However, I don't think it's going to do that. I actually think gold is going to drop. All right. Well, there's a lot of support and resistance levels here. If you want to sell gold, wait till it breaks this area. Wait till it breaks the 1127 area. All right. So, guys, a lot of people are saying they got to get off. Yup, AUD USD was a good scalp. So if you took the AUD USD scalp, whatever, wait another few pips and close the profit. I told you, it's going to drop from here. It is going to drop from here. Actually, you know what? Did you guys take it? Did you guys take this trade? The AUD USD? If you took it, you're up 5 pips. Did you take it? Alright, whatever. Just make sure it doesn't. If you took it, whatever, good. You probably all took it. If you didn't take it, wait for another opportunity. If you took it, just hold on to it. And that's pretty much it, all right? So I've given you guys a few trades for today. All right, so AUD, Euro USD again is playing out like I wanted to go up, come retest and go up. All right, so let me pull my phone out of this. So guys, again, thank you. Thank you for being a part of this event tonight. I do my best to give you guys trades. I do my best to make you guys money. I try my best to help you guys. And AUD USD, just whatever. It's a scalp, man. Take 10 pips and get out. Take 10 pips and get out, all right? Just 10 pips. And other than that, seminar this weekend. If you're already registered, congratulations. If not, it's going to be another one on Sunday. And yeah, mentor tips, everything is coming out nice. Don't forget, I'm launching my own social media platform. And what else? So yeah, so I'm going to come back in a bit. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you all. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the shares. Much love and blessings. And I will talk to you guys on Twitter. I'm probably going to jump on Twitter. All right. So again, I'll tell you guys one thing. I have a broker as well. I need to, so I have a broker that I can suggest to you guys, but I've had a lot of here's the thing. I'm getting a lot of this nonsense coming from people that are saying he's collecting commissions and, if something goes, I don't want this headache, all right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you guys a link. All right, I'm just going to give you guys a link to go to. I'll put it on probably maybe tomorrow, later on tonight. That'll just basically give you the information of the broker, all right, directly to their site, not no stupid affiliate link, but it's just going to say in there that I don't, I'm not endorsing them. I'm not collecting anything from them. And I'm just suggesting them, all right? So I don't want, I'm getting big to the point where I gotta be very careful with what I do. I just gotta be careful with what I do because a lot of people are just taking things, turning it against me. You know what I mean? I just gotta be careful a little bit more with what I do at the rate I'm growing right now. All right. So either tonight I'll have it up for you guys, or tomorrow morning. Gotta see my developers awake right now to see if he can drop it on for me right now. Otherwise, just keep your eyes on the trades. I love you guys. I look forward to the weekend, our seminar. I look forward to tomorrow. And if you have any suggestions on mentor tips or anything you want to do, let me know. Send me an email. Love to hear from you. Love to get snail mail. I love you guys. You're the best. Again, thank you so much for being a part of my life. Thank you so much for supporting me, loving me, doing everything you have. You're honestly motivation to me. You're everything. You're more than I could have ever asked for in life. So thank you so much. God bless you all. And you're the best. I'll talk to you guys soon. Much love. Periscope doesn't want me to leave.